Everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to type letters in the Numpad on your iPhone. So let's say, for example, you have a number that has some letters in it that often pops up, and if you want to call that number, what you're going to do is go to your phone app, go to the keypad, and this is what we're going to do. So it will be 1-800, and then if you want to type Apple, what you do is you just press the number that corresponds to the letters. So A, P, P, L, E. So each number corresponds to the 3 letters, so you don't need to type it twice or 3 times. And that's pretty much it. This is how 1-800 Apple will look like. So now you can call it and it will pretty much work. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.